Ravan gives Shivlingam to Ganesha. Ravan was on his way back to Lanka with the Shivlingam. Soon he reached a forest. It was early morning and Ravan thought of taking his bath and performing his prayers. But he could not keep the Shivlingam on the ground. So he decided to find a suitable person who could hold it for a while. On Mount Kailash, all the gods were requesting Ganesha to save the Shivlingam from reaching Lanka. Ganesha assured them that he would definitely solve the problem. Ganesha followed Ravan and reached the forest. He understood that Ravan was searching for someone to hold the Shivlingam. Ganesha transformed into a young boy and reached the place where Ravan was standing. Ravan saw the boy and immediately asked him for help. He said, "Boy, you look like a wise fellow. Can you hold the Shivlingam for some time?" The young boy agreed and held the Shivlingam carefully. He assured Ravan that he would take care of it. Ravan asked him not to keep the Shivlingam on the ground at all and went away to take his bath and perform his prayers. Ravan loses Shivlingam. Ravan was performing his prayers with deep concentration. Suddenly, he heard the boy shouting, "Oh, this Shivlingam is too heavy. My hands are aching. I have to drop it here." Ravan was puzzled. He was unable to leave his prayers in between, so he shouted back, "Please hold it for some more time. Let me complete my prayers." Ganesha knew it was the right opportunity to place the Shivlingam on the ground, so he kept it on the ground and disappeared. When Ravan came back, he found that the boy was missing and the Shivlingam was stuck to the ground. He tried his best to pull out the Shivlingam, but was unable to do so. He lost all hope and left for Lanka. Thus, Ganesha stopped Ravan from getting the divine Shivlingam and becoming invincible. The place where this incident took place is popular by the name of Mahabaleshwar in southwest India. Talasur warns Amravati. Once there lived a cruel demon named Tala on earth. He was immensely powerful. He defeated all kings and started ruling their kingdoms. People on earth trembled with fear just at the mention of his name. Talasur wanted to rule Amravati too. Amravati was the abode of the gods. When sage Shukracharya, the preceptor or guru of the demons, heard about Talasur's intention, he went to meet him. He said, "Talasur, Amravati cannot be conquered. You should drop the idea of attacking it." Talasur did not like what Shukracharya said. He roared, "I am determined to do so. You just tell me what I should do to become victorious. I trust that you will devise a way through which I will be able to rule Amravati." Shukracharya thought for a moment and then suggested, "Talasur, if you succeed in getting a boon of immortality from Brahma, then you may be able to conquer Amravati. Start worshipping Brahma." Talasur pleases Brahma. As suggested by sage Shukracharya, Talasur started worshipping Brahma. He prayed with utmost dedication. He performed penance without having food or water. Brahma was happy to see his devotion. He appeared before Talasur and offered him a boon of his choice. Talasur was happy as his goal was achieved. He said, "Lord, please grant me the boon of invincibility." Brahma said, "Son, I am sorry. I cannot grant your wish as it is against nature's rule. Ask for something else." Talasur acted smart and said, "My lord, then grant me a boon that no living creature except an elephant could kill me." Brahma granted the boon and disappeared. Talasur became more powerful. He gathered a huge army and marched towards Amravati. Due to the power of his boon, no god could defeat him. Talasur's haughtiness reached its peak.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.